Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best metal repair putty is probably one of the most versatile and effective solutions for repairing damaged metal surfaces on the market. This amazing product can be used to fix anything from small cracks and scratches to larger holes and significant rust damage, making it an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, and professionals alike. In this video, we will put this putty to the test, exploring its capabilities and helping you decide if it's the right choice for your next metal repair project. Number 5. JB Weld SteelStik. It's a hand-mixable, 2-part epoxy putty stick. It's steel-reinforced and won't rust, making repairs quick and easy. After mixing, it sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures within an hour. The cured color is a dark gray. It boasts a lap shear strength of 900 psi, withstands high temperatures, and resists many chemicals once fully cured. This epoxy can handle continuous temperatures up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 176 degrees Celsius and intermittent temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit 232 degrees Celsius. It adheres to a wide variety of surfaces, including metals like iron, steel, copper, and aluminum, as well as fiberglass and plastics. It's certified by NSF and safe for contact with potable water, adding to its versatility. It can be easily molded, shaped, sanded, drilled, and tapped to perfectly match your repair needs. What we like. If you need a strong, quick-setting repair that's also safe for potable water contact, this is it. Its steel reinforcement ensures durability, while the rapid setting time minimizes downtime. This makes it perfect for projects where safety and speed are paramount. What people say. Have used the SteelStiks mostly for extending the life of old auto exhaust systems. It plugs up decent-sized holes and can act as a method of fusing two exhaust pipes back together when a break occurs. This product works as described. What more can you ask? Follow the easy directions and your problem is fixed. I used this to fill 2 holes in a steel exterior door and boy is this stuff strong. Sands down smooth as silk, so I'll prime it and then paint. This is a really great product because of its versatility and strength. The fact that it's safe for contact with water and resistant against chemicals makes it a go-to for many of my repair tasks. I love that it can be sanded, drilled, and tapped once it cures, which only takes about an hour. Plus, you can mold and shape it to fit your specific needs. Number 4. PC Products PC Metal Epoxy Putty. This innovative putty is perfect for quick and easy repairs. It's ideal for a wide range of applications, from appliances to automobiles. It cures rapidly, returning your items to service in under an hour. Say goodbye to lengthy downtime. Use it to fill holes, rebuild castings, or insulate electrical connections. It's incredibly versatile. This putty is perfect for repairing various metal objects, such as gas tanks, tools, and pipes. It's tough and durable. It's hand-moldable, requiring no mixing or special tools. You'll have approximately 3 minutes of working time before it begins to cure. Get it today and experience the ease and efficiency of this amazing product. It's the perfect solution for all your metal repair needs. What we like. If you value convenience and speed, this putty is your best bet. No mixing required, it's ready to use straight from the stick, and cures rapidly. It's ideal for various applications, from appliance repairs to automotive fixes, making it a versatile addition to any toolbox. What people say. I used this to fix multiple things around my house, super versatile and helpful. Dried quickly and hard so it holds. I haven't painted it to match yet, that will next. I'm so happy with how easy the putty was to work with, how permanently it bonded and how well it held up to sanding. Seems so rare that a product does everything it says it will, but this worked exactly as advertised. I had a hole in my metal railing. This did the trick. I had to first put something into the hole to give it backing, but the metal putty made it hard and paintable. Number 3. JB Weld 8297 Epoxy Putty Stick. This is the JB Weld 8297 High Heat Epoxy Putty Stick. It's perfect for high temperature repairs up to 500 degrees. It can withstand extreme heat, making it ideal for various applications. This putty is incredibly versatile. Application is simple and straightforward. Just mix and apply it to the surface needing repair. Once cured, it forms a strong, durable bond. It's a reliable solution for many fixing needs. It's great for filling gaps, repairing cracks, and more. This putty provides a long-lasting fix. This convenient 2-ounce stick is easy to handle and portion. The gray color blends well with many surfaces. What we like. If you're working with high-temperature applications, this is the putty for you. Its superior heat resistance makes it suitable for demanding environments where other putties would fail. It's also easy to apply and provides a strong, durable repair. What people say. It for sure works better for things that don't require an instant hold, but with some ingenuity you can hold things together while it dries. I allowed this to dry for 2 weeks and used the steam wand and it works well. This product is inexpensive and also works well under steam heat, so I'm very impressed. Made a custom exhaust and heat shield, and after grinding out the welds I needed some putty to fill in some gaps, but it needed to handle the high heat a motorcycle exhaust system faces. This stuff was the exact thing I needed and it's held up very well. I used it for functional filling but also for some cosmetic detail work. It was easy to shape and dries ultra hard so you can sand it to perfection. Number 2. Permatex 25909 Liquid Metal Filler. Permatex 25909 is a versatile liquid metal filler, perfect for various repair jobs around your home or workshop. It's incredibly strong and bonds well to many surfaces. It adheres excellently to metal, wood, and even concrete, making it a truly multi-purpose solution for your repair needs. You can use it on a wide variety of materials. This product boasts excellent adhesion, especially to galvanized metal. This ensures a strong, long-lasting repair that you can rely on. It effectively repairs cracks and porosity leaks in cast metal parts. It also fills small holes and perforations, providing a complete and durable seal. This powerful filler resists water, oil, and gasoline, making it ideal for repairs in harsh environments. It's built to last. This product is easy to apply and provides a strong, durable repair. It's the perfect solution for your repair needs. What we like. If you need a putty that works on various materials beyond just metal, this is a great option. Its strong adhesion and resistance to water, oil, and gasoline make it suitable for a wide range of repair jobs. It's perfect for those who need a multi-purpose solution. What people say. Decent color for metal. Good cure time. Sandyable and paintable. Dries quickly with good bond strength. Perfect for the repair I had. Dries quickly, easy to use. APPLYED with a tool such as old credit card. Apply to clean surface. Do not overwork it as will ball. Let dry for a day. Sand smooth. Paint or stain. Number 1. H450 Alumbond Aluminum Putty. This amazing aluminum repair putty is perfect for fixing a variety of metal surfaces. It's incredibly versatile and easy to use. It works on aluminum, and is ideal for repairing HVAC systems, radiators, engine blocks, boat hulls, and more. Say goodbye to costly repairs. It can be drilled, tapped, sanded, threaded, and painted, giving you a seamless and long-lasting repair. This putty provides a non-rusting, non-magnetic aluminum gray finish that won't change color even after sanding or polishing. It's made in the USA with high-quality materials, ensuring superior performance and reliability. You can trust it for all your aluminum repair needs. Get the H450 Alumbond aluminum putty today and experience the difference. It's the ultimate solution for all your aluminum repair needs. What we like. If you're repairing aluminum, look no further. This putty provides a non-rusting, durable repair that's perfect for various aluminum components. Its machinability allows for further shaping and finishing, making it ideal for precise repairs. What people say. I used this to fill the seams of a fuel cell that had questionable welds. I let it dry for 72 hours and it resolved all the leaks I had. I had 6 5/16-inch holes in my Volvo Penta SXM outdrive from removing an accessory wing. I was able to plug these 6 holes with this product, sanded, and painted. The product is strong and easy to work with. I bought this product with the knowledge that it has aluminum particles in an epoxy resin. It has a very high pressure rating for compression strength and good tensile strength, and it can be machined. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.